So you've got a business, and you have a designer or a few on salary. The success or failure of your brand lies in their creative shoulders. Are you certain your brand is being represented to its maximum effectiveness? Sure, you can reach out to an advertising agency, but you know what that'll cost. And if you're not their top client, well, your creative work will probably be generated by their lowest paid intern. Or you could hire a top-level art director with 20 years plus of experience, but you'll be shelling out at least $150,000 minimum a year for their full-time devotion. Plus there's payroll and health insurance and paid vacation days, all that stuff that takes up more of your time and money. So skip all that and just make your current staff better. Introducing HIVE Enterprise, where we believe in the power of elevated insourcing. For a small monthly retainer, we'll art direct your employees' work. We'll take their creative work and push them beyond their limits, accelerate their design skills well beyond what they or you might believe is possible. You see, we're a collective of top-level seasoned creatives with a history of Fortune 500 clients and millions of dollars earned. We've made it. We're at the top of our game. But we wanted to make a bigger difference. And now you get our insights, our creativity, our design wisdom in your corner, without all the overhead. The result? Bottom line, the better you look and the better your story you communicate in the marketplace, the more opportunities you have, the more customers you can acquire, and the more revenue you can generate. We've seen it happen for our clients time and again, and we want to see it in your business. So keep your team in place and just elevate your brand internally. Don't outsource, insource. For less cost, less hassle, and less training. HIVE Enterprise, accelerating you and your team to more profits, more customers, and more opportunities. Contact us today and see what we can do for you.